Have you heard that real estate bubble is about to burst? Or not, and it's just a fake news. Let's go over a few stats and let's find out what really is going on with real estate market in Hawaii. Remember, numbers don't lie, and these numbers are for whole Hawaii. And as we all know, real estate is very local, so each island might be very different. Also remember, these stats are 30 days behind because that's just how real estate works and reports. Whenever you want to determine pricing of certain product, you always look for supply and demand. That's why the first stats I'm bringing to you is new listing stats. This is the stats which tells us how many new homes or condos are coming into the market. And this graph right over here, this is April 2020. We all know what happened in 2020, March 2020. Right over here, this is December 2020. So you can see decline. Decembers are usually slow months. Right over here, this is December 2021, and you can see dip again. But take a look at this. It's way lower. That's December 2022. Which means that we do not have enough of listing coming into the market. Next stat I wanted to share with you is months of supply. What does that mean? Well, if we would stop accepting new homes coming onto the market, how long it would take us to sell every single property which is currently on the market. We measure this in months, and nationwide there's a rule. If the inventory is 6 months or more, usually that means that's buyer's market. Whatever is below 6 months, that's seller's market. But as I said and mentioned earlier in my video, real estate is very local, and in Hawaii, exact same rule applies on the 3 months. So right over here, we can see this is the 3 months line right over here. And right now, the inventory is at 3.1 months. That's stat from December 2022. Before that, November, we peaked right over here. This line is 3.5 months, so a little over 3.5 months. Graph behind me is going to reveal how many pending transactions there are on the market. And what does that mean? Seller actually accepted an offer, houses under contract, but the sale hasn't been finalized yet. Right over here, we have October 2022. This is November 2022. And here's December 2022. So we have 2 consecutive months with more and more pending transactions. That might be a sign that market is picking back up. Another important piece of information to keep an eye on is days on the market. Let's look at it. So this right over here is July 2022, when the market bottomed out at 27 days on average each listing spent on the market before it went under contract. Compared to now, we are sitting at 37 days. But look at this. This is October, that peak. That's October 2022. Then we dropped in November and December. We pretty much plateaued. Last but not least important fact is average sales price. Let's take a look at the graph. Remember, these numbers are combined. Condos and single family homes together. Right over here, this is the $850,000 line. First time ever we crossed this line was in July 2021. Then we even crossed 900,000 line, and currently we're hovering around that $850,000 line. And recent December average sales price sits at $849,773. If you like this video, comment down below. Don't forget to like it and give me a follow.